Upadhyaya, Vice Chancellor GGSIP University, Dr. Ellen Ramona Tisse, President of the International Federation of Library Associations, distinguished librarians from all over the world, other distinguished invitees. First of all, let me thank the organizers for extending me an invitation to come over here and participate in this very important panel discussion. I also congratulate Professor Majumdar and the entire organizing committee and the Delhi University Library System for identifying a theme, very relevant theme for this particular conference. Academic libraries, that is the theme of this conference. Of course, when we think about, I am not going to the points Professor Pendle mentioned because he has already concentrated on technology and aspect. Probably I will come to some other points. When we think about academic libraries, most of us think that it is only universities which are academic institutions. There are a large number of institutions which are definitely academic, which are not the universities. We have to think about the school libraries, that they are also definitely academic libraries. We have to think about the library movements. The library movements in the country, particularly in developing countries, we have to concentrate, we have to focus on library movements. Only so-called academicians, so-called academics who are working with the university system, they can identify how the context of library movement, context of the library system in our society can be enhanced. Definitely, you might have gone through the documents of the National Knowledge Commission. How the library movement has to be strengthened in each and every village, each and every place in our country. That is definitely a necessity. And I am confident that the professors of library science, academics from the various university system, they should network with the school libraries and other library movements in the country. I know that individually we may be doing it, but it is very important that we should look at institutionalized systems to achieve such a target. Because only by creating an awareness among the school children, the school teachers, we can create a passion for libraries in our society. This country, for the external participants, for the foreign participants, this country has recently passed a bill, Right to Education Bill. We need several hundred thousands of schools to be established in the country, several hundred thousands of schools to be established. And the school libraries have to be much more active. The teachers in our schools, they have to make use of library effectively. These are all, I'm not saying that these things are not happening, but we should not lose our ground. In such grassroots level activities in library movement, particularly school teachers, college teachers, of course, we are all, they are much more experienced, exposed and all that, but we should create a system for providing opportunities for the school libraries and teachers in the school education system. We are quite aware of the fact that several consortiums are working in libraries all over the world. Several consortiums. Indira Gandhi National Open University and Distance Education Council also created a consortium. It is called National Consortium for Open University Libraries, NACODIN. Distance education libraries, open universities. We have 13 open universities and 150 distance education institutes in the conventional universities in this country. We have created a system for national consortium for open and distance learning. That is also a consortium which has been approved, and we are doing some activities. And then we know about INDUST, which is happening in this country, looking at the technology, engineering and technology libraries, engineering and technology movements. And then, of course, you have several networking organizations of this kind, whether it be IFLA, local library movements and all that. And what is ultimately needed is a networking of these networks. That's very important. And that can definitely happen through technology, that can happen through digital achievements. All these things are possible. But my point, my focus for the presentation is to look at the library movement, particularly in developing countries at the grassroots. Thank you very much.